The service was witnessed by the Supreme Court Registrar Harriet Sally and the NRM Secretary General Justin Kasule Lumumba, who had accompanied Isingoma. Before the service, the parties first appeared before the registrar, and it is where Museveni's lawyer Isingoma tendered a letter showing that Museveni had instructed them to receive the petition on his behalf. But Wameli said he had not been given a copy of the instructions and that they wanted to be courteous and serve them through their addresses.
I don't expect service, and according to the information I have, he has instructed them to receive service. We are confident. Evidence was glaring, but now we have brought it before the court, and we also believe that case the justice it deserves.
However, Chagulanyi's lawyers later served Museveni's lawyer and the NRM Secretary General Justin Kasule Lumumba, who had waited for them close to an hour before they could arrive at court. The registrar has also informed the parties that she will be giving them dates for when to conduct the pre-hearing by next week, once all parties have put in their responses. The service arises from the Monday petition filed against Museveni, the National Resistance Movement candidate, Electoral Commission and the Attorney General, seeking to overturn Museveni's victory. Museveni won the January 14th presidential elections with 58.38% of the votes casted, whereas Chagulanyi, the National Unity Platform candidate, obtained 35% of the votes. This is according to the results released by the Electoral Commission chairperson Justice Simon Byabakama. But following this, Chagulanyi petitioned the Supreme Court, listing 26 grounds for which Museveni's victory should be overturned.
Okay. We want to receive service on his behalf. And as of yesterday, we notified this on the report in our letter, Secretary General of the party.
Council?
Well, we are glad that our search has come for them to serve on one of the law firms that is listed.
Okay.
But we will take it that since we are before you, they have instructions to receive service, and we're glad to do that.
Okay. Do you have a copy of the letter, Council?
Your Honor, we have, but after we receive service, we shall put in our address.
Okay.
Our answer in 3 days. So by then, we shall also actually.
From the
court and so on.
He argued that the entire electoral process was sham, having marred by a number of irregularities such as non-compliance with electoral laws, bribery, intimidation, favoritism during campaigns, arrests, failure by the government to make amendments to the laws that would result into free and fair elections. The musician turned politician also argued that there was involvement of the army that reportedly caused violence and hence loss of lives among others. As such, Chagulanyi asked court to order for a fresh election and issue a permanent order restraining security from ever involving themselves in future polls. Speaking to us after effecting service, Chagulanyi's lawyer Wameli said that finally they have gotten some relief after tracing Museveni in Kampala City since yesterday and they failed. The NRM Secretary General Justin Kasule Lumumba says that everything was done in the law and called upon their supporters anytime they are approached to give evidence in court to respond positively. The panel to hear this petition is yet to be constituted by the Chief Justice Alphonse Owiny Dolo before a hearing date can be given.